with another Star Atlas video from Grist. I'm not sure if I can contain the excitement. Okay. And what is this? Did you want to tell me something, Grist? Now I am stuck in some vapid roleplay in a space station bar. Oh, please come off it and get with the edited gameplay with all the fails left on the cutting room floor. Are you serious, mate? What part of your mind told you the 2.5 people who will watch 10 seconds of this video will ever want to watch you practice shooting blobs? Or whatever those thingies are? I thought this video was supposed to show the new Iron Man flying thing. Stop wasting time. You know the devs will nerf it soon enough. Oh, look. Both viewers already left. Think I will join them. Cheers, Grist. You might think of putting something at the end here, Grist. Ending the vid and no title card with like, "Thank you for watching" or something. Bit lazy, no? Oh, I forgot. Nobody would even make it to the end, so you good. I suppose.